Good morning, West Hampton Beach. I'm Fieldman.
And I'm Mike Chuppe. Welcome to the Hurricane Watch.
All right, Mike, it's that time of year again, except for us seniors. Time for underclassmen to select their classes.
Let's join Jacob and James to find out what the best classes are.
I'm here with LeBron James. LeBron, what's your favorite class? AP Calc.
My favorite elective is ceramics.
I want to say something funny.
My favorite class is business management with Miss Demchak.
So John, what's your favorite class?
Oh, my favorite class? Jeez, you really caught me off guard.
That's right. That's what we do.
My favorite class, probably like business law, and I like U.S. history with Mr. Wisnowski.
Broadcast journalism. Everyone take it.
Ceramics.
Forensics.
So Emily, what's your favorite elective?
Probably the art classes.
Why?
I love art.
All right, so what's your favorite class and why, Colin?
Broadcast journalism if you're creative and willing to work.
There's been some debate as to whether or not cheerleading is a sport. What do you think, Brian?
I think it is.
The cheerleaders put some of our football players to the test. Let's check it out.
What's up, West Hampton? It's Friday at 4 o'clock. I'm about to make what the cheerleaders do look easy. Let's go.
Baby, I'm not like the rest. Don't wanna break your heart, wanna give your heart a break. I know you're scared, it's wrong, like you might make a mistake. You and I, we're beautiful, like diamonds in the sky.
It's bad bedtime. We don't care what the people say, we don't care what they wanna do, and we don't care about it anymore. We do what we want. I ain't wasting no more time. It's now or never. I'm about to get mine. It's now or never. I'm about to get mine. It's now or never.
I'ma do it, do it, do it, do it. I'ma bring it, I'ma give it, give it. You gon' love me like you ain't love nobody.
Now doing how to kneel.
Why did you try to cradle him?
Okay.
Oh my God!
Hurricane. So don't be ashamed to back it up. King, you're queen inside now. You glow like the moon, you shine like the stars. This is for you, wherever you are.
Take your hand and do it good. No! Into your neck.
Got my hands way up, I surrender to love. Wanna feel it, tonight. Wanna feel it. I'm losing, wanna feel it. Hey, you thought cheerleading wasn't a sport?
Do you think cheerleading is hard, Brian?
Well, it doesn't look easy. Now that we're on the topic of sports, let's take a look at the last ski trip from Evan and Kotryna.
We're pumped.
I love skiing.
Ow! Yeah!
That looked like a lot of fun. I wish I went.
Up next is information on this year's February Awareness Week.
West Hampton Beach High School will be hosting its first February Awareness Week the week we get back from February break. Monday, wear red to support heart disease awareness. Tuesday, wear blue to support autism awareness. Wednesday, wear your favorite college apparel for College Appreciation Day. Thursday, wear orange to support leukemia awareness. Friday, wear purple to support epilepsy awareness. There will also be a dodgeball tournament on Friday, March 1st from 3 o'clock to 5 p.m. in the gym to raise funds for epilepsy awareness. See Ms. Cardo in room 107 for more information.
Very cool. That's it for today.
Have a great weekend, West Hampton.